Hello, today is Monday, April 27. Today's objective. Student will start experiment. Student will read passage The Life Cycle of Lima Beans. Student will answer passage questions. This week we will talk about different life cycles. Today's key points are: number 1, all living things grow, change, and reproduce. Number 2, life cycle is the stages in an organism's life from birth to adult. Number 3, each living organism has a unique life cycle. And the last one, we can compare the life cycles of various plants and animals by observing and noticing the changes from one stage to the next. Today we will see the plant life cycle. Stage number 1 is the seed. The seed is planted in the soil. Stage number 2, germination. This is when the seed grows into a sprout. The roots and stems. The roots continue to grow. The stem pushes its way up to the soil's surface. Stage number 3 will be seedling. The seedling grows out of the ground. The stem and its leaves grow toward the sunlight. The leaves make food for the plant. Stage number 4 is the adult or mature plant. This is when pollination happens. The plant grows flowers once it's mature, and the flowers are pollinated by bees, animals, or the wind. The plant can then make seeds. And then the cycle starts over again. I am very excited to show you the introduction for our experiment. You will have all of this information in the online assignment. What I'm going to do here today is show you how you will set up your experiment. First, you're going to do your research. You're going to watch the plant life cycle video, which is located in the online assignment. Next is our scientific question. Will a bean sprout if it has missing parts? So this is the question that it's going to drive, and it's going to be the main focus of the experiment. And we're going to focus on 3 main parts of the bean seed, which is the embryo, also known as the baby plant, the seed coat, and the cotyledons, which is also known as the bean seed. Next, you will choose your variable. In the online assignment, you will have an opportunity to choose it. Now think about it. This is what you want to test. Will the bean grow with coat or no coat? Will the bean grow with bean seed or no bean seed? Will the bean grow with baby plant or no baby plant? After you choose your variable, you will write down your hypothesis, your educated guess. Materials: 3 whole beans. And this can be any type of bean. It can be red beans, black beans, pinto bean, as long as the bean is large. You will also need 3 beans with 8 parts removed. It could be 3 beans with no coats, 3 beans with no baby plant, or 3 beans with no bean seed. You will need 2 baggies with paper towels folded inside. And if you don't have baggies, you need 2 glasses. You also need a ruler and recording sheet. Procedures. This is how you would remove the parts. In a bowl with water, you will soak the beans for 4 hours. After the 4 hours passed, you will peel open the coats and remove the part that you will be testing. Look at the picture so you can know and see what you're looking for. How to set up the experiment. You have 2 baggies, and inside the baggies, place the napkin. Number 2, place 3 whole beans in first baggie. Next, place the 3 beans with missing parts in second baggie. Make sure the napkin is slightly damp, just a little bit of water. Too much water will make mold to grow. Next, place the beans on the windowsill or in a place where there's plenty of sunlight. Make sure you record the observations daily. Make sure that the baggies are left open. If you don't have baggies, you can do the exact same experiment. Instead of a baggie, you place the beans inside the napkin, and the napkin you just place it inside the cup. Your assignment. First, you're going to set up the experiment. Second, you're going to read the life cycle of the lima bean and answer the questions. If you have any questions, please let me know.